What is the visibility today?
Visibility in the Beninging of the day.
Hi everyone! Happy Monday! So hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng mga 3 days ata. Tapos ngayon, it's already December! Oh my God, ang bilis ng panahon! So today is December 1, 2025. Naglalakad ako papuntang Milak Coffee kasi may imimit ako. But yeah, let's go! Happy December guys! See you later! Chico. Okay, let's go home. I'm done. This is my outfit, guys. Wait. It's nice. Oh. Maglingkod sa tadere. This is the Milak Coffee. They are open 7 to 11. Mila. Mila Coffee and Tea. So, punta tayong Winmart. Magro-grocery ako. Dako lagi akong naong. Wait sa. Punta tayong Winmart. Malapit lang naman yung Winmart. Diyan lang. Hi everyone. It's already 4:47. So I am getting ready. Actually, I'm already ready. Kasi pupunta kami ng coffee shop. Magdi-date kami. Kasi hindi na kami lumalabas ever since. Medyo matagal na yung last coffee date namin. So today, aalis kami. Pupunta kami sa isang coffee shop somewhere here in Tucson. And it's gonna be 13 minutes drive, I think. Grabe, oily. Pero lahi-lagi sa amin, lahi sa camera. Okay, so I am still using this Stylex. This is still from Davao, guys. And 2026 pa naman siya mag-expire. Wait, 2026 July. So, gagamitin pa natin yan. Actually, that's from my previous job in Davao. I didn't wash my hair today. Kasi nga, I am saving my hair. Bakit? Mamamatay na ba yung hair mo? I am protecting my hair. Hindi tayo naliligo. I mean, hindi ko binabasa yung buhok ko every day. Ano lang siya, like every other day. So yeah, this is my outfit. Okay, labas na tayo. Yung ganda ng lighting dito. Look at the Christmas light. Ang hina niya na. Kasi ano pa to, August. Last week of August ata. So, let's go. Hello, little boy. Little boy. We're here. The name of the cafe is Strasan. It's a bag. There's a big teddy. Ang bata. How are you? Let me interview you.
Okay, question 1.
What is the visibility today?
Visibility in the beginning of the day. The visibility is very bad.
Beninging.
Very bad.
Beginning.
In the beginning, the visibility is very bad.
Visibility.
Visibility. Visibility.
Go there.
Question 2.
I'm full.
It's not a question. That's a statement.
请少了闪息.
Konnichiwa. Question 3. Last question. This is an interview.
What comes after
the apple?
What comes after H?
I.
Love you too.
Funny girl.
Funny girl. Okay, do British accent.
Oi, mate. No, that's Australian.
No, that's French.
Oi,
Oi.
mate.
Mate, yeah, Australian. Yeah, mate.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Fuck's sake.
That's British. It's Irish, actually. Scottish.
Oh, really?
For fuck's sake.
Oh, really? Damn, babe. No.
It's
Yeah.
not British.
Let me see you. Where are you? Be normal. Not that normal. If you see a crocodile,
Run away.
what would you do?
Row my boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream. Can we go?
I'm low bat. Okay,
I'm also
let's
not
go.
bad.
My stomach is, my bag is very full.
Put that in the back.
my bag.
Don't forget all your fur.
Guys, we are going home. Let's go. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. This is the place, by the way. Ta-da! A big teddy. So there's a mirror. I want to go to the mirror. There. Never mind, let's go. Gracias. Trachang.